Hi guys, good morning. Today we'll see Slack developer certification maintenance for winter 25. Right. So where would an administrator find a workflows templates in the sidebar? Where? In the automations. Next. So what is a connector for workflow of builder? So connectors are the steps to the workflows that takes an action in a third party service. So which API method allows automations to get the information about the connector organizations? Team.external teams list. Next, so what is the advantage of using Slack admin APIs? We'll go for B and C, then it will be the E. Next, so what can org owner do the developer program section of a org dashboard? View and manage the developer sandboxes. Require admin approval for the sandbox provision request. Send a DM to the admins. So we'll go for A and B. Right. So then check the quiz. Done. So we successfully completed Slack developer certification maintenance.